At Xanigo, we are serious about the system that we've developed to disinfect in a smart, consistent, and repeatable way, to protect and get businesses back to being the driving force of our economy. The system that we have developed that is far more than simply a way to spray disinfectant, but is a way to reduce the burden of disinfecting, to provide complete protection in all spaces, to ensure we are documenting, teaching, and always learning. Our team of experts set out to solve the challenge of destroying pathogens and stopping the spread of sickness now and far into the future. Whether in schools, gyms, churches, public transportation, sporting events, locker rooms, we set out to educate, to innovate, and to get us all back to the business of living.